Hey, Ahmed here. Want to know why Do is more than just a workplace? See for yourself. We believe in making things smart and sustainable, like powering our cell towers with solar energy.
And our data centers is secure 24/7 to the highest standards.
Here, everyone is encouraged to push boundaries, innovate, and add value. I wonder what the sales team are up to. Hi, Wael.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hey Wael, I think you should tell him about the new offers we have on our routers.
Hey, I'm good, guys. I'm here to make a video on how we work at Do. See, this is a great example of collaboration. Simply put, it's the great teamwork and work culture that make Do more than just a workplace. And this empty chair here, it's waiting for you. If you want to add big strides to your career, join us.
Do 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 do.